The number of gallantry awards won by our alumni is an ample testimony to this fact. The reviewing officer will now address the parade.
Lieutenant General Raj Shukla, Youth Seva Medal, Sena Medal, General Officer Commanding Chief, Army Training Command, Lieutenant General J.S. Negi, Param Vishesh Seva Medal, Ati Vishesh Seva Medal, Youth Seva Medal, Vishesh Seva Medal and Bar, Commandant, the Indian Military Academy, Major General J.S. Mangat, Vishesh Seva Medal, Deputy Commandant and Chief Instructor, and his team of directing staff, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, members of the media, and gentlemen cadets of the 146th course. A little over 40 years ago, on 7th June 1980 to be precise, I was on parade as you are today. On that balmy Saturday morning, little could I have anticipated that one day I would be reviewing this parade as the Chief of Army Staff. Standing before you today, I do so on behalf of the entire Indian Army to welcome you into our fold. It is indeed a singular honor and privilege to be addressing you today. The parade today is the culmination of your training, but the commencement of your careers. It is not the end, but the beginning. As you step across the Antim Pag and enter the portals of Chetwood, remember what lies ahead of you is the Pehla Kadam of your life as a commissioned officer of the Indian Army. It is a proud and momentous occasion for the entire nation that 333 gentlemen cadets are joining our glorious army today. I also take this opportunity to convey my felicitations to the 90 gentlemen cadets from friendly foreign countries for successfully completing your training. I am certain that you will do your countries proud. Soon, you shall be joining your respective units. Some of you may have an idea of what to expect, got your choice of arm, others not. That is now in the past. Remember, there are no good or bad regiments, only good officers. Throw yourselves into your new role with passion. Become one with your men. You don't accept them, they accept you. On a long-range patrol, when they offer to carry you across an icy cold, swiftly flowing rivulet, rather than let your feet get wet, you will know that you have been accepted. Needless to say, that offer will be declined since your own ease and comfort is of little consequence. Rise above petty considerations of caste, creed, religion, and gender. The army does not discriminate. Your Jawans will know your names. You not only have to know their names, but also their hopes, their dreams, and their fears. Let not the passion for your career overshadow your compassion for your men, for it is they who will follow you to battle. When the going gets tough and all seems lost, it is the spirit of your men that will give you the courage you need. No one wins on their own. Teams win battles. If you win the trust and affection of your troops, they will win battles for you. In these difficult times, the safety, honor, and welfare of our country depends on your abilities as military leaders. You have the trust of the people of India, and to live up to their expectations, you have to strive hard. You have the challenging task of containing external threats as well as defanging disruptive forces attempting to destabilize a nation from within. Only when our nation is safeguarded from external as well as internal threats will we prosper and be able to secure for our citizens the core values enshrined in the preamble to our Constitution. To that end, you will be expected to make decisions in the tactical and operational domain, as well as to resolve ethical issues with only your conscience to guide you. At such critical moments, remember the oath that you have taken, that is to uphold the Constitution of India, and let that be your guiding light. Always remember that whatever we do is for the welfare of our countrymen. We are an army of the people, for the people. Every course has a unique destiny and character. Your course already has the distinction of being commissioned under the most daunting circumstances. I am confident that you will all rise up to whatever challenges are in store for you. Your impressive soldierly bearing, steadfastness on parade, and precise drill movements have convinced me that you will do the nation and your families proud. My compliments too to the adjutant, Subedar Major Drill, and the drill instructors for an impressive parade. Just as I could not predict my future, neither can you anticipate what the future holds for you. Years later, when you stand at the autumn of your careers, it won't matter much where or what rank you ended up at. What will matter is whether you served honorably and earned the respect of your peers. If you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, you shall have delivered on your promise as a soldier. To the proud parents and family members watching from afar, I understand your disappointment at not being able to be here with your sons on one of the most important days of their lives. We truly wanted to interact with you and to welcome you to the Armed Forces fraternity. I want to compliment each and every one of you for raising such fine young men. I also thank you for deeming the Armed Forces a worthy future for your children. Till yesterday, they were your children. From tomorrow, they are ours. कल तक वो आपके बच्चे थे, कल से वो हमारे हैं. We shall cherish him, nurture him, if required, even admonish him, but we shall always be by his side in war and in peace, in good times and in bad. सुख हो या दुख हो, हम हमेशा एक साथ रहेंगे. I once again congratulate all of you for an excellent parade. I have full confidence in your abilities, and I am sure that with your dedication and commitment, you will do your alma mater and the country proud. My compliments to the award winners. Congratulations too to the champion company. I am sure you earned it through hard work and sheer perseverance. My compliments to the Commandant and Team Indian Military Academy, including all officers, junior commissioned officers, other ranks and civilian staff, for providing a world-class ecosystem for quality training and character building of our future leaders. I wish the Academy continued success in shouldering this responsibility. Once again, my best wishes to the gentlemen cadets. May you be always blessed with good health and happiness and serve our country with honor and pride. Godspeed. Jai Hind.